Hi, I'm Rachel from 360 Life Safety, here to talk to you about our base kit in our mini trauma aid kit series, the A Kit. And the products in the A Kit are included in the rest of the mini tack series, the B, C, D, and E kits. All of our mini tacks come in vacuum sealed packages. The internal components will remain complete, sterile, and safe from environmental conditions such as rain, dirt, and water. So throw it in the glove compartment of your car, your backpack, your bike, boat, or RV. It's a natural fit for any location. It's easy to open. There's a little tear notch here where you'll tear down and you'll have access to the products. The first product you're going to want to utilize within your mini tack are your gloves. We know right now in today's society how important it is to protect ourselves, but we also want to be protecting that victim that we could be assisting and making sure that there's no cross-contamination. So make sure you glove up. All of our mini tacks come with 2 pairs of gloves. Our next product we have is our Mylar Blanket. Our Mylar Blanket is also known as a space blanket, and they are so beneficial. Sometimes when people go through traumatic experiences, they can go through shock. And when someone goes through shock, our #1 goal is to maintain that core temperature. So they're wonderful. Not only do they package small, they unfold quite large. They help maintain that core temperature, and they are disposable. So it doesn't matter that you get it dirty or if it gets ruined, just throw it away when you're done. The next product we have in our mini tack is Sterile Gauze. We utilize Z-folded gauze, which simply describes how it's packaged, and when you unravel it, it kind of looks like a Z. You can use this to cover a wound, to wrap a wound, or if there's a deep laceration and you need to apply internal pressure to pack a wound. To help stop the bleed or control hemorrhage, we utilize a SWAT tourniquet, or a stretch, wrap, and tuck tourniquet. Similar to a bicycle inner tube, it has these pressure markings that indicate how far you need to stretch it to apply sufficient pressure. The SWAT tourniquet is also very versatile. You can use it as a pressure bandage or even cut it shorter if you're applying it to a smaller victim. All of our trauma aid kits have unique serial numbers that upon registration provides you access to our training videos. Additionally, we'll send you an email when your perishable items approach their expiration date, allowing you to always be prepared for the unforeseen, where you learn, work, play, and pray. You can learn more about our products at www.360lifesafety.com.